Happy New Year, everyone. It's Sean from Crafted Elements. I wanted to let you know that we just released 10 new templates this week. First new release of 2024. We've got our curling charcuterie board template. We've got our heart charcuterie board template with a heart inlay that you can use as a handle. We've also got 7 new US states. So a lot of people have been asking, when's my state going to be available? We've got Illinois, Connecticut, Maine, Missouri, I think, Pennsylvania, Iowa, and Washington State. Now, guys, because we've had problems in the past, the next one I'm going to show you is not safe for work. This is a fair warning that if you are easily offended by slightly comical, possible parts of the male figure, please look away now. I'm a freak to the core. Get a dose once, you gon' want some more. My tongue touch your girl, your toes. Alright guys, I warned you. Anyway, all these new templates are available at craftedelements.com along with our other 250 plus other router templates. Happy New Year, guys. Thanks for watching, and thank you for being loyal customers this year for 2024.